everyone, and welcome back. Today is the second in a series of Fall Food Friday. We are doing an open collab with the Moss family. Last week I made crock pot chicken and dressing, and this week I'm making pecan praline candies. They're absolutely delicious and so easy. Come on, let's go. Recipe, we are making homemade pecan praline candy. We have a pecan orchard and we typically try to freeze 20 pounds of pecans per year. So this is just a small portion of it. With everything being so crazy, I wasn't able to use up all my pecans this year. So I'm trying to use them up before we get our new batch in a few months. So to my saucepan, you need a heavy bottom saucepan. You are going to add a cup of brown sugar, make sure it's packed tightly, a cup of white sugar, and half a cup of evaporated milk. To that, okay, I'm going to start on medium heat here. I'm going to stir and wait for this to come to a boil. Make sure you try to mix it the best you can. Now I will come back when this reaches boiling. Okay guys, we have now reached a rolling boil, which is what the recipe calls for. As soon as you reach the rolling boil, you need to boil it for exactly 4 minutes, stirring the entire time because you don't want it to burn. On the side here, I have half a stick of butter, a cup and a fourth of pecans. You can crush these or you can have them whole. I personally like them whole, and then a teaspoon of vanilla. You do not add that until the sugar milk mixture is ready. So, okay, question I need to poll. What do you call these? I call them pecans. Some people call them pecans, pecans. I personally call them pecans. So that's the way I was taught to say it. So, but I do have friends that call it other things, and we joke with each other that we tell each other which one is right and which one is wrong. So there is no wrong way to say it. They're absolutely delicious and amazing, and there's no wrong way of saying it. Okay guys, I'm gonna go with this another 3 minutes, and as soon as I take it off the heat, I'll show you what's next. Okay guys, we have 25 seconds to let it boil. And when I pull it off, I'm gonna quickly add the melted butter, the pecans, and the vanilla, and then I have to beat it vigorously. I mean, you've got to use some muscle because this, and you have to get it on a pan on parchment paper fast because this candy likes to harden very quick. So here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay guys, I'm coming off the heat here. I'm gonna mix in, ooh, that's hot. Come on around. We're gonna mix in our butter and our vanilla. Ooh wee, that wants to. There we go, and of course our pecans. Ooh wee, yum. As you can see here, I have my parchment paper ready, and we're just gonna. Ooh, I splashed myself, and that hurt. I usually make these at Christmas, but I start making these in the fall because they're just that good. And for Christmas, I give these out to my neighbors and friends. I give them out with my homemade fudge. And I like to share some of my homemade goodies, but I love doing this in the fall. Like I said, we usually start getting pecans off of our trees in October to November. So it's one of those that just keeps giving all year round because I freeze mine. So, all right guys, I'm gonna get these beat for a few more minutes and then I'll start putting my wax paper. Okay guys, I have beat this till I am sore. Oh, my arms are sore, so I've got to get it on the pan pretty fast. They will start to harden and turn into candy very soon. You can see it's already starting to harden within the pan. Okay guys, I'm gonna get these laid out and I'll show you the product. Show you that. Thanks for watching, you guys. I can't wait to see what you all have posted in the Fall Food Friday collab. Take a look at these amazing pecan pralines. Yum! See you next week, guys.